Welcome to MTS Technik. My name is Kacper, I'm an engineer here, and in this video I'd like to present you the Coilover suspension kit for 3rd and 4th generation Suzuki Swift, Suzuki Splash and Opel Agila B. The front axle kit consists of 2 threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating, featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. The springs are manufactured by a German company, eibach. On the front, we've got ERS-type springs with linear characteristic and helper springs that provide preload for the mainspring. ERS-type springs, thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Rear springs, on the other hand, have progressive characteristic, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristic. Rear axle kit consists of 2 sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension, with increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. Moreover, this kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers on both front and rear shock absorbers, black anodized aluminum spring caps for the front struts, and height adjusters made of black anodized aluminum and steel for the rear axle. With all that was mentioned, in the box you will also find an adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation you'll need, such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.